Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mohammed again, and we are still on using Wondershare Filmora for video editing and motion graphics. So in this session, we are going to talk about how you can import your video, import your audio, or add audio from Wondershare Filmora to your video. We are going to talk about how transition works. We're going to talk about yeah how we know how you can add small effects to your video. Then we are now going to look at creating a video using text, using sound, using your video, videos that we are going to import here, and how we can also add some effect to it. How we can add effects to our text. Do you understand? So just get yourself ready and let's dive into it. So the first thing we are going to do now is that we are going to import our video. Now to do that, it's very visible. You can see it right here that is screaming import, saying import. So you just click on import. When I click on import, it's like I have a collection of fitness video that we can use. I got them for free on Pexel, so it's easy, it's free to use, so there's no copyright infringement that's going to feel like maybe harvesting something. So you can select all the videos, like just select everything at once. You can just select one if you're working with one, but I want to use all of them. So you select everything at once. So you just click on open, then you open everything. You see everything loaded now. You have all your videos imported. You remember it's going to be under my media, because let me say I click on stock media, I'm seeing something entirely different. Yeah, I click on title, I'm seeing something entirely different. So if I click on my media, my video falls under my project media. So these are the videos that I imported into my Filmora. Yeah. Now to start working with them, the first thing I need to do is to drag the video into my timeline. Now all I have to do is just to go to the video that I want to use. Let's say I want to use this one for now. I'll just drag it into my timeline. Sorry, I'll just drag it into my timeline. Yeah. So when I drag a video into my timeline, it's going to ask me. Remember, in the first place, when we were like in the last episode, when we wanted to create a new page, a new workspace, we selected the project aspect ratio that we want to use. Now we selected 16:9. Now 16:9 is 1920 by 1080 automatically. That is the size for, let's say, a video and all like that. Do you understand? Now the video that we want to use is actually very large. It has a larger size and a larger resolution, and also a larger frame per second. So it's asking us if we want to stick to our project setting, or we want to use the original video effect, so original video dimension. I can choose not for it not to ask me anymore. So I'll just use my setting. So I have my setting, and that's the size I have here. Realize that this is our timeline here. Now this is where my video is on the timeline. Now we use so we use this marker here to determine what is going to show on our video. Now realize that this is not showing anything. It's not on any part of the video. It's just blank. It's on a blank space. This is where our video is. Like our video is starting from I think how many minutes? I think 5 seconds here. Our video is starting from less like 5 seconds. So this marker is not on anything, so it's blank. So let me just move this marker now to my video, and you'll be able to see my video. Sorry, let me just play. Yeah, exactly. Now since I have this marker, it's showing me the part of my video where this marker is on. Do you understand? So when I actually play, I'll be able to see sorry, yeah, I'll be able to see as the marker is moving, it's showing me. Yeah, you understand how that works. So I can just drag my video to the starting point. Sorry, I don't know why this is happening. I think it's because the video is quite large, but we are cool. I can drag my video to the starting point. This is the starting point, so I can have my marker with me in the starting point. Now let's talk about timeline. But before that, this is what your video frame looks like. Whatever you are working on can be previewed on here. All right. Now this is if you want to go back to more like the previous frame. So let me click on previous frame. So it's not showing anything yet. Can you see? Because we have just a single frame line. Do you understand? So so let me say, okay, let's just keep going. Sorry. So this is where you can play, you can pause, or you can stop. All right, and this is where you can set the quality of the video that you want to preview. Now this quality helps you, have a faster way of previewing your video. So let's say you have a full quality, what you'll be able to see on your preview screen is going to be very, very sharp, but can slow down the operation of your computer. So most times, if you have a computer that has a bigger RAM, that has a bigger, system specification, do you understand? A faster one, you can have half or full. You can also use a cutter, so you'll be able to preview everything without stress. Do you understand? So it lowers the resolution, but it doesn't affect what is going to, like, what your video is going to export with. Do you understand? So it's just for you to be able to preview in that resolution. All right. So there are other options there. So look at this plus here. This here you can drag this just to expand your key, expand your timeline. You can just to zoom in. You can also zoom out here or zoom in here. You can also or you can just use this to determine this. So as you move on, you'll be able to play around all the effects and the options, and see how they work. So here you have your timing. All right, so this, as you are checking it here, you'll be able to be seeing the time here. So we have this is 0 0 seconds. Can you see here? We have it here at the position, the timing position. So when you move this down a bit, you can see that the timing is it's changing. Yeah. So this is 5 seconds. Yeah. So it's changing. So that is where you get to view your time. All right. Now then we also have I think this is where you can add track. So this is a track. Can you see? This is another track. You can add. Let's add a new track. So let's say we want to add a track. Then you say add video. So this is a new track. We have track for video. We have tracks for audio. This symbol here symbolizes for video. This shows for audio. So you can choose to add track, then add audio track. Yeah, you can see that we have 1, 2 audio tracks now. You can choose to delete this track and just click on the track, then you just delete here. Can you see? Click on the track, then you just delete here. Now this help you. It's called auto ripple effect. Yeah. So if it's on, this is what it does. It links all your elements together. So let me give you an instance. So let's say let me drag a new video inside. Let's say we have 2 videos here. Let's say we have 2 videos, right? So if this ripple effect is on, yeah. So let me click on this video and try to reduce it. Can you see that as I'm reducing this video, the next video is following it? On a normal ground, it's meant to stay where it is, not follow it, not expand with it. So if I'm it's more like if I'm expanding now, it's expanding with it. Do you understand? Like it's reducing with it. Can you see? Now let me have my ripple effect turn off. When it's off, I'm trying to reduce. It's maintain its original position, and it's just what I'm working on. That my whatever it is I'm doing takes effect on. So that is how the ripple effect works. Sorry, let me just, I think I still have my video. Yeah, so you can just Control Z to undo and all like that. So let me just click on the video I want to delete and just delete. This is my video now. So this is where you can delete your video, and this helps you split a video into 2. It works the same way as this scissors here. So let's say I want to split my video at 10 seconds. So I'll just drag my key here to 10 seconds here. Yeah. Then I'll click on this scissors. click to split. Or I can just come here as well, then just click and split. You can see it's divided into two different, one, two. So I can just drag the first one here and have the second one here. That doesn't stop me from being able to expand this one to continue where this one is meant to start. Do you understand? So so that is how our splitting works. So also we have crop. So let's say this is my video, for example. Now you can see that we have some. Let me double tap on it. You can see that we have some black spots. Okay, when you look at this video very clearly, let me zoom in. When you look at this video clearly, let me try to zoom in. If you if you come to view, then you zoom level. So let me say 25. So it's somehow small. Zoom level. So let's say 50, for example. Now when I zoom in my video here, then you can see that we have some black, like it's not completely how it's meant to be. We have some black spots at the bottom here, some black frame at the bottom. So the video is not even filling, it's not filling into our project size. So let's say we can choose to, let me go back to the original size. So you'll be able to see, can you see? And we can choose to crop the video to fit into our frame. So you just click on the video here, then you come to crop. When you come to crop, can you see what I'm talking about? Now our video size is still how it was, just that it's just compressed a bit into our workspace. So you can just come to this, then you have 16:9, which is our initial setting. So when you do this, you'll be able to see, can you see that the video actually like cut out some things that that will make it fit into our workspace. So you can just okay and realize that we have now we have a video that fits well, no black spots, no extra no extra black space at the top or at the bottom. So yeah, that's how you crop. Now we have some other settings too, but as you actually move on, you're going to see we have speed. You can create slow motion or make it fast with speed. So as we move on, we are going to like see how all this actually works.